So I'll take you through a quick presentation, maybe 30, 40 minutes. I'll take you through a presentation where I'll explain you what is this concept and how this work. Okay. With your permission, I'll share the screen. Okay. So this is a company name, AGSKart. That's a company name. And AGS stands for All Goods and Services. Just a single platform where we are trying to bring entire goods and service in single platform. So you can get entire details on this website. So what are we doing, and everything. So if you ask me what we exactly do, we are aggregators of aggregators. So you all know today there are a lot of business which are doing in a very nicely they're doing is aggregators. So we are not selling any of our products or services. We are trying to help other brands to grow. With around that, we have built a distribution channel because direct anything which we do to customers sometimes it is not that successful in India. So you need a distribution channel where we can sell these products and services to the masses. So that's where this entire idea was generated. So we welcome all of you for the business presentation. So we are basically a startup company from Bangalore, based from Bangalore, and with a very small capital, we started this. So we are basically a bootstrap startup company. So we are not funded anywhere. We have not gone for any seeds and funding or anything like that. So what do we do? So we are basically a platform which we are integrated e-commerce, wealth management, SaaS products, utility payments, travel service, digital marketing. So as of now, so many services and things we have integrated into one single platform. So we can keep on adding multiple things also into this. So and we are offering this opportunity through a multi-tier membership program and through a franchisee model where we want to have a physical space across India so that we will be one of the biggest distribution channel and where maybe any manufacturer or any wholesaler, if you have to reach out to the masses, so we want to be that distribution channel in future. So that's the entire thing behind it. Yes, we are part of Make in India and Digital India Com program. So this is where our registered office is situated. This is we do own this premises in outskirts of Bangalore called Nelmangla. So that's where we do have an office. So we have a corporate office in Banaspadi, that is Babusapalli exactly on the main road only. We do have our office there. And apart from that, we do have other offices in Karnataka. In Hubli, we have a branch office. In Tamil Nadu, we do have again a branch office in Hosur. And now also in Maharashtra, in Mumbai, Binder, we have a office just opposite to the Binder railway station. So we have, it's a very small office, but to start in Maharashtra, that's where we have started. Now we already have a couple of good inquiries and the past 2, 3 days after meeting the Maharashtra. So we have quite a lot of inquiries from Maharashtra and we are hoping that in a span of, in a month, we may have a couple of offices in Maharashtra too. So, what is the potential of this business plan? So basically, what today the every common person, every single person owns something called as a smartphone, and that's the power of today the digital economy. And we are also trying to encash on this digital economy because the population what India is having, this is a small statistics which talks there are more than 97 crore smartphone users in India. So, and more than 75 crores internet users. So that's a staggering number. That means that this all people are on internet, and there is a huge and there is a every year there is a huge rise in digital economy. People are shifting from online physical shopping to online shopping, and this is growing every year by year. So we thought, why not encash this opportunity to get into something where we can also mobilize this the growth phase what internet has provided to each and every Indians. So a lot of multinational companies are coming to India to harness this opportunity. So we being a self-made, made in India concept, so we are trying to do the same. So they are our founders, Dilip and Vinay. They are friends. So they basically the background is they both are from travel industry. So one was from B2B and one was from B2C. So travel field. So more than 15 years they were into travel field. So keeping their experience traveling other places all was put together to form this business concept. So this is a vision statement and a mission statement. We want to create at least a 5 lakh sustainable jobs. That's a vision what we are going with, because we have a plan to bring around 5,000 franchises across India. So through that, we want to create at least 5 lakh opportunities to Indians. And we also want to, our mission is to be a seamless digital network that brings people together. So, what is so special about this concept? See, in India, when so we talk about lot, all of us talk about expenses. We all talk about uh, shopping. We all talk about many things. So, average Indians, when we all do agree that at least in a monthly, uh, what is the average cost every Indians are spending? Can we just put it in a chat box? महीने का एक खर्च, so mean like monthly expenses, a family of four, let us take assume like we have people are from Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore, so all big cities. What will be the expenses? Can you put it in chat box? Okay, so what we are telling is every month at least we are all spending something like this. Every month there is a fixed income like grocery, restaurant, travel, gym, medicine, car insurance, car service, clothing. So every month there is something called a recurring in expenses what we are doing. At least easily we spend at least 20 to 25,000 rupees is minimum, bare minimum, which we need to spend. And where again if you take rent and all other things it will go more than 40 50,000 also. So this is a monthly expense what every family undergoes. And apart from that, there is a fixed month yearly expenses also what we undergo. Like probably if you take, we pay one-time insurance, we buy gold, uh, there is a housewarming ceremony, there is an anniversaries, birthday comes, and nowadays we have something called as lifestyle expenses. In 2 years, 3 years, at least there are people who keep changing their mobile handsets. The series changes, 16 came, 14 came, 15 came, so now 16 came, now 17 series comes. So we tend to change mobile handsets. So these are all our lifestyle expenses. We keep upgrading for our work purpose. We change our laptops. So there is again a fixed yearly expenses also which come to like this. So if you put together, there is an average monthly expense of at least 50,000 rupees what we spend every month. Okay, so there is a minimum expenses which is happening this much. If you take smaller cities, might be little less. If you take a bigger cities, it is more beyond, much beyond this. I've taken a very average conservative figures. So nobody is talking about this expenses. So what we came across is why not convert this expense into an investment? That was an idea behind this concept all about. So what all expenses what we are incurring? So we are trying to the customer has to get back in a form of cashback. That was the entire model. So you will understand exactly what will happen once we through the presentation. So for to do that, what was the easiest mode was to build a mobile app. Okay. So we built this mobile app, AGSKart, which is you can download it from Play Store and App Store. So we just started from a service called Recharge. And today, apart from Recharge, there are many services what a customer can undergo. So he can take a DTH, landline payments, credit card payments. He can do a FASTag recharge, bus booking, flight booking, holiday packages, insurance, offline merchant payments, health insurance. So a lot of services we have brought into this platform. Okay, so now you may say that okay, there are quite a lot of apps like this. If you can compare uh, fintech apps like Google Pay, Phone Pay do also have these services, but we do have something much more than them. That is a shopping app also. This is also an inbuilt app where not only all these services, apart from that also we can also do shopping also through this app. So there are, when we did a survey, there are three types of shopping which happens in India. One is online shopping. So online shopping, so there are more than 150 plus prominent websites and apps. So we just integrated this online apps also into this app. So through AGSKart app, you need not, now you don't need this 150 plus apps. So with one app, you can access all these apps. So you can shop from Amazon, you can shop from Myntra, you can shop from Swiggy, you can shop from Nika, or you can shop from any Chroma, anywhere you can shop. So more than 150 plus websites we have onboarded. So there are few people who are not fond of shopping online. They say that I would rather prefer going to a brand store where I want to touch, feel, and then shop. Yes, there are a lot of people like that. If you ask my father, he would love to go to Bata and buy from there rather than buying it online. So we have also tied up with a lot of brand stores. So more than 5,000 plus brand stores we have also tied up. So what we can do is so we can the customer can go and shop from there also. So if at all somebody wants to buy from Reliance Digital a smartphone, he can walk into Reliance Digital and he can select the model, he can touch, feel the model, then he can purchase that from the Reliance Digital. But he can pay through vouchers through what AGS card he can purchase and pay through that. So he's going to get additional benefits out of it. So not only that, we are also in a very big way, we want to bring the local business also into our platform. So there are quite a lot of apps which are working with local merchants. So even we, because the lot of economy, the very parallel economy runs with local business, because people right from there might be a kirana store, vegetable vendor, meat shop, maybe a medical shop, a small textile shop. There are hundreds of small outlets in and across your house. So for smaller things, we do go to them. So even we can add them onto our platform, and you can shop from them also. So that's the entire this concept is all about. So now you may ask what's so special. So yes, there are platforms who are also doing this, or in bits and pieces we can shop from either online or offline. So what is so special about it? The speciality is that you shop or you take any of our service, you're going to get a guaranteed cashback. So that's the biggest catch in our concept. So how to do that? So we, as to do this, so we have built a business model where a customer can just download our app from Play Store or a App Store as a free of cost. So you can free by anybody can download as a user, or he can also be a merchant if he's owning a business. So he can also be a merchant and a user. Or if he wants to enjoy more business with us, so he can also be a part of our business. Like he can be a DigiShop owner, he can be a premium user, he can be a virtual business owner, he can be a franchisee. So the franchisor. So there are a lot of opportunities also which is available with this. So let's go one by one so that to understand the entire model quickly. So I hope a lot of you have who have undergone who had come to a meeting. So you might have already got a user referral and you might have downloaded the app. So I'll just take you through our user app. So what is so special about a user app? So how are we attracting more users and how are we retaining the users? These are the two challenges every mobile app do possess, because today bringing user is also difficult and retaining them is also difficult. So what is so special about is that one is it is a super app, as I told you. Maybe it's for bill payment, it may be for your book service, or if any other services. You need not have 100 apps, so we call it as a one in all in one super app. So that is a USP. It's a one app which can do 100 apps work. That's first thing. The second benefit what you get from us is that you get a guaranteed cashback and reward on every transaction. So either it can be a recharge, or it can be a shopping on Amazon, or it can be a shopping from Bata store. So you do any online service, utility payment or anything, so you are going to get a guaranteed cashback. Let me take a small example of recharge only, because most of us do mobile recharge today. Earlier, we used to do from a local merchants, but nowadays we do from either Google Pay, Phone Pay, or the platforms what Google, like Airtel or Jio is providing their own app. We go and we can recharge. So you might have recently observed that when you go and do a recharge from a Phone Pay or a Google Pay, you are in turn paying more than what you're supposed to pay. Maybe for a 999 plan or a 2499 plan, you are paying 2500 plus, you are paying 2 3 rupees or 5 rupees, you are paying additionally, you are paying as a platform fees or as a convenience fees. In lot other different names they do charge from us. So you might have not observed, means next time please do observe there is a extra payment what you are doing. So gone were those days where they used to pay us some cashback. But same recharge, if you're doing through a AGS platform, so maybe it might be any operator. If you want to do a Geo recharge or a Airtel recharge or a BSNL recharge or Idea recharge, whatever operator you are recharging, so in turn you are getting the cashback. So if I take an example, like same 1,000 rupees, you are doing a recharge from AGSKart for your Geo mobile, Geo network. So you are getting 20 rupees back as a cashback. Okay. So now you may ask me, how are we going to give this? So why GPay can't give, and how are you giving this? Simple. Even GPay can give this. This is a cost what every operator is paying to their distributors who are giving these services. And as we told that we are only an aggregators, so we are giving them in volume. So we are giving more people. So they are paying the commission to us, but we are only not enjoying that commission, we are also sharing that to our customers as cashback. So that's simple. So we are not burning any of our money. So whatever we are paying, if it might be Amazon, or it might be a Malabar Gold, or it might be a Soch, or it might be a Biba, or it might be a Van Heusen. So any brand what you're shopping, we are not burning anything from our pocket. We get a fixed commission from all of these brands. We are keeping 80%, we are distributing to our channel, and 20% we are keeping to ourselves. That's the cashback model we run. So every transaction, so there is a fixed cashback what a customer is getting. So you may recharge 100 times in a day. That means that you have recharged for 100 different people. So you will get all those cashbacks to you. So when you do it, that's a simple concept. So that is called as cashback. And there is something called as rewards. So if there might be certain services where we don't get a cashback. For example, if I do pay up electricity bill, no corporations is going to pay me back. No electricity board is going to pay me back. If I'm paying a credit card bill, I'm not able to give you any sort of cashback. So where as a AGS card is not getting any money, we are not giving you any cashback there, but we are giving you some points. We call it as a reward points, and that's actually a virtual money what we are giving. So what the reward points means, the reward points means this is nothing but a real money. That means whatever money comes here, either you can use it immediately. So it might be 10 rupees, it might be 100 rupees. You can use it immediately for next transaction. You can buy an Amazon voucher, you can make a recharge, you can pay your electricity bill. Anything you can do from this money, you can do it. That's your money. Or if it is above 500 rupees, even this money you can withdraw to your bank account also, because it's your money. So this is known as reward points. So this is nothing but a real money. So what we call this as a real money. And where, as I told you, so if we are not getting any sort of cashbacks, so if I'm not getting, AGS is not getting, so I'm not going to give anything back to you. So that's where I'm going to give you a virtual points, that is known as royalty points. So the real money is cashbacks is called as reward point, and virtual money is called as royalty points. And so this is what we are providing to customers. So every transaction, either you may get this or you may get that. So there is no there is no chance that if you're not getting any either of it. So customer is definitely getting something on every transaction. Uh, that is the benefit of the when they download our app and start using our app. Apart from that, there is a additional benefit where a customer, if a customer is referring our app, so we, because this app is a in-house app, so we are not doing much with marketing as of now, but you can refer this app to anybody. So let us assume that I referred this app to John. So John just downloaded this app through a referral code of mine. So there is a unique referral code with which he has downloaded this app, and he has started using this app. So once I told him that, I've explained him about this opportunities, what he can set. See, I'm not asking him to change his brand. Suppose John, I am from Bangalore and John is from Mumbai. So I'm not asking John to change his brand, or I'm not asking John to buy any of my items. I'm telling John, anyway, you're using, you're paying your recharge, you're doing electricity bill payments, you're shopping, you're doing hundreds of things, what I already told. So why not do this through this app? That's it. So when you're doing this, you're getting a guaranteed cashback or some sort of rewards what you're getting. So John will be definitely happy for that. John will be doing some transaction with that. So when John does a transaction, so John, let us assume that John did the same thing. John did a 2000 rupees recharge and John got around 50 rupees cashback. So John received a cashback of 50 rupees. But since John was referred by me and he was referred my with my referral link, so I am now entitled to get 10% of cashback what John has received. So he got 50 rupees, so I got 5 rupees out of his cashback. And it's not for one time, it's for lifetime. So whenever John does any sort of transaction through AGSKart app, so John is going to get some sort of cashback and I'm going to get 10% of his cashback to lifetime. So this way, I'm building a referral links. So it's only to one person. It's not like, okay, I got my other applying, my somebody else got, somebody else got. It's not a multi-level marketing program. It's a pure referral where I refer and I am going to get. If John is referring to XYZ plus people, so from that XYZ people, John is only getting income. I'm not going to get any sort of income. This is a referral program what we are running. So this is how we are adding more users to our app. So we are hardly this entire model. This platform has been built hardly a year. I mean, company was formed 2 years back, but this entire thing to be in a 6 to 8 months only we have done. In this small span, we are able to reach around 18,000 people through this referral program only. So we have not done any sort of extensive marketing for this, but we are able to lead in a big way through this. So apart from that, there is, as I told, there is also if for royalty points, you may ask me what will I do with the royalty points? That is a virtual points what I'm accumulated. Yes, there is also benefit out of it. So let us assume that you did a credit card payment of 50,000 rupees, where company is not giving you any direct cash back, but company is giving you whatever you bill, whatever amount you paid, 50% of the value we are giving you royalty points. So you are getting around 25,000 royalty points. So 50,000 bill you paid, 20,000 royalty points you got. So what is the benefit of this royalty point? The royalty point, every 2,000 royalty points, you will get one scratch card. So every 2,000 royalty points you'll get this scratch card. So you have 25,000 royalty points. That means you are entitled to get 12 scratch cards. And the scratch cards are not like better luck next time or play rummy card or any other thing. The scratch cards are real money. So this will be between anything between 2 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Any value can be received. So like it can be 24 rupees, it can be 64 rupees, it can be 999, it can be 864, it can be 1,500, or it can be 2,000 also, or it can be as low as 2 rupees also. So the point is, when you are paying your credit bill, credit card payment or electricity payment, you are not getting any cashback as of now. So, but same credit card bill, 25,000 credit, 50,000 rupees credit card bill you paid, you got 12 scratch card. Let us take bare minimum 2 rupees also. So still 24 rupees you got back as a cashback. But it will be much beyond that because all 12 scratch card cannot be 2 rupees. It will be a varying denomination. So you are getting something a real money, and this is a real money again, you can use it back again. So this is a user app, and there is also, you can also refer any local merchant into our app, any manufacturer, any retailer, or anybody you can refer into our app, so that merchant also has some good program where he's going to get a lot of benefits. So this is all about our user app. Now we are going to the second phase, what we call this as premium members. So what are these premium members? These are our paid users. So I told that we have free users and we also have a paid user program. Like, just to take an example of Amazon has a free user app, so anybody can use this app. Same way they do have a Prime membership. So it's a you're paying some money to take this membership, so you're getting additional benefits from Amazon. Same way, we are also giving some some benefits for our premium membership. And the premium membership is what benefits are we getting? So it's all the same benefits our user are getting, but here you have a chance to earn 50% cashback from the referrals. Okay, so what cashback I told for free user, it will be more in premium member. So we have just made a small tableau column, and to show you the difference what a premium member earns from this. So let us assume that I referred John instead of Ram. So John is there. I referred John, and now John is doing a recharge. John is doing a recharge of 1,000 rupees. So expense what John is supposed to get is 30 rupees. So John received a cashback of 30 rupees. Since I referred this John to this platform, so I should get 3 rupees. That's a 10% of whatever cashback he's getting. So this is a 10% cashback what uh, John is getting. But now since I am a premium member, I paid some XYZ amount and I'm a part of a premium member program. So now I'm getting whatever John is getting, the 50% I'm getting, plus the regular 10% referral what I'm getting. So 60% I'm getting from John's cashback. So John is getting 30, so I'm getting 18 rupees. So let us assume John did a car insurance, paid a car insurance of any brand, whatever company he says. So he took a car insurance from us. He paid 10,000 rupees. We are giving customers up to 6% cashback. So he got 600 rupees as a cashback. So I was supposed to get to 60 rupees, but now I am getting 360 rupees because John got 600 cashback, but I'm getting 300 plus 60, that is 360 is fine. So if I was only a free user, I was getting only this income. So since I'm a premium member, I'm getting this plus additional 50% cashback. So that is the income what a premium member gets from every uh, every uh, every cashback. So this is one benefit what a cashback what they get. Also, the whatever money they buy for this in this product. So we are charging this. There is a one-time fees of 5,900 rupees. This is a one-time fees and it's for a lifetime. Okay. So plus there is a GST. Of course, 18% GST is there. So whatever money they have paid, this entire 5,900 we are paying it back as a credit balance to them. So that means there is a wallet where when he subscribed as a premium member, so he is getting an opportunity. So he got a lifetime opportunity. Also, this entire 5,900 is will be available in his wallet. So he can redeem it back. Where all he can redeem. He cannot use it on a recharge or he can't use it on Amazon shopping. He can't use it on such services. Rather, he can use it on any of these services what we are mentioning. Suppose for his travel, he's booking a holiday package through us, so he can use up to 10% from there. He's buying a new insurance. He's saying that I want to renew my car insurance with New India Assurance. So 15,000 rupees is the premium. So that's where he can redeem up to 5% there. He can buy any digital marketing packages from us. It might be a SEO services, it might be social media marketing, it may be any email automation product or anything like that. So he can buy from us. So there also he can redeem from the 5,900. He can redeem from there also. Or also he can use from IT services what we are providing. So up to 10% he can use from there. So these are few services where he can use this. So premium member is a one-time opportunity where a user is paying 5,900 to upgrade his plan to a premium member plus GST, where he's also getting, if somebody who is referring him is also getting a one-time bonus. It's just to bring in more premium members. That's it. That's a one-time bonus what we give. So there are also some other benefits what a premium member gets from when he signs up. So he's, as I told, it's all one time 5,500 rupees is there. There is a free digital visiting card which we are giving. It's a virtual visiting card. It's as good as we can call it. It's a mini website where you can your business, you can put your PDFs, you can put your website, you can put your website links, you can put your all your any YouTube videos what you have made. You can make everything. You can put it in one platform where just send a link of your visiting card. So it's a digital visiting card which we are giving to him. So we are also providing a DCB bank forex card which he can use in 100 plus countries, where when he travels across the world there is no swap charges he need to pay whenever he's going to Dubai or he's going to the US. So he can pay through his this card. There is a launch international launch access. So a lot of benefits are there for through this card. It's a lifetime opportunity. There is, as I told again, a 5,000 premium, 5,900 credit balance. He has a validity of 2 years to use this 5,900. So any insurance, any travel, anything what he plans next time, he can use that money also. So literally, this opportunity is free for him. and there is a 50% cashback which comes to him. And also uh, we are also giving him a travel portal, which is an again similar to, which is when you, it's a B2B platform. What we have, we give to it B2B operators, where you can book your flight tickets with much lesser cost than the online platforms. So when you compare this price in our app, so it's like we have it cross checks 100 plus apps, and it brings you the cheapest uh, flight booking portal. So we have also give up access for that, so where you don't need to pay any sort of convenience charges, or even the pricing part also, it will be at par than the online pricing what you see in the prominent websites like Make My Trip, Go Ibibo, something like that. So these are all the benefits what we give to our premium member. So when you sign up as a premium member, you are getting this many services free of cost. I mean, in the sense you are getting all these services also, all these benefits also to that. So that was a free user, and next comes a paid user, that was premium member. Is the, see, as we told, this is also a distribution channel what we have made to help our franchisee owners, because a franchisee owner alone cannot run this business. So he need a team to support him. Okay. So that's where now this virtual business owner comes into picture. So that's where now this VBO comes into picture. So India being a population of more than, they say that the youngsters between 18 to 40 is around 60%. And no government can provide so many job opportunities or a private segment. So entrepreneur journey is only today the easiest thing. But when you come to start any business, there is a lot of challenges also do come. So if you just assume that if you're going to start a business, you need money, you need so you need capital, you need experience, you need knowledge, business acumen, you need place, you need the no, I mean, lot of paperworks, GST, that compliances. So a lot of things do come when you start a business. Right. So most of the people who prefer to work is that because they don't want to get into this jamela. So many things to manage. End of the day, I have to pay the employee salary, I have to pay the rent, I have to pay do this, I have to pay GST, I have to pay that, this and everything. So what ends down is क्या बचता है? So that's why many people prefer to work for somewhere. So, but also there is also that nobody teaches, like, okay, so today you are a working professional, so you know that travel business is booming a lot. So there is a huge growth in travel business, or there is a huge growth in hospitality business. So you thought that, okay, let me start my travel company, or let me. So there are two options. One is you can go and take a franchisee of a travel business and you can start it, or you start from scratch. So you don't know, but you will, nobody will teach you what to do, how to do, nobody will teach you. That's a challenge. So today, to start a small business also, you need at least, बोलते हैं ना, ठेला खोलने के लिए भी at least today you need 1 lakh rupee. So the bare minimum petty shop you would open also, you need that. A cart business also, you need 1 lakh rupee. And also there is, every day you have a running operational cost, you have that to manage, you have to give your time. So there are many things which is associated with that. So that's where we developed an opportunity. So these people are, these virtual business owners are our sales force. Okay. So there, if you ask me, if you ask any LIC, what is the major sales force is, the advisors or the agents of LIC. So these people are not on their payrolls, but they sell the products of LIC and they get a handsome commission on the products what they sell. So they use the officers, they use the premises of LIC, I mean, offices, and they sell their products. They bring their clients. There are people to explain about that, or even they do explain. So they have made an ecosystem where they are able to penetrate the entire market. So like this, we are offering for people who are, I mean, this is different from paid user, that is premium member, and this is quite a lot of difference. Here, somebody who is joining here is coming to work, जो अपना टाइम दे सकता है, who want to without much knowledge, वो अपना टाइम दे के और कमाना चाहता है. So such people are going to be a part of this virtual business owners. So what are they going to do? So they are able to generate income from 10 verticals what we have already a ready-made setup. So we have already have made around 10 verticals where any person who wants to earn, either he can actively sell all the 10 things, or he can only choose one particular segment only. So it's up to him or up to her what he want into do. For example, I will take an example. So if somebody joins us and he says, I want to learn travel business, I wanted to get into travel business. So he just need to own one smartphone. That's enough for us. So he need not have any offices. Usko koi physical space. There is no need of any physical space. He just need to own one small. He just need to own one smartphone. So if he's owning a smartphone, so we are making him a virtual business owner. So virtual business owner with one smartphone. So now he can sell flight tickets, he can sell passport services, he can sell anything, domestic packages. So we have since we are very strong in travel, we do have DMCs in uh, Bali, Thailand, Dubai. Also, we have a lot of tie-up offices in across many countries. So we are very strong in travel. So we are doing a lot of fixed departures. We are also doing customized travel plans. So now that he is already a part of us, so he can start selling any travel packages uh, through freelancing. Or or if he says, no, sir, I do have a small office. I'm already a real estate consultant. I do have a small office in XYZ place. So now that I will also put a board that I also provide travel services. So you want to book your ticket, flight ticket, bus ticket? Yes, this is a place. So people do come. So people, he can now the same place, he can start cross selling other business. So he can also sell insurance, any company's insurance. We all know that to sell insurance, you should be an IRD agent and you can only sell one particular brand. But here you can sell any company insurance, term insurance, life insurance. He can sell any services. So now literally he can do business in 10 different areas. That's what we mean. So now if I talk about travel, he can do so many services he can give. If he also can now start wealth management, he can become a financial advisor. He can start selling mutual funds of all AMCs. He can even the demats he can start selling. He can do portfolio management services. That means we are doing it. He can sell those services. He can sell any insurance, term, general life. We are building website as low as 5,000 rupees. We are building a websites for any e-commerce any app developments. We are doing it. So he just need not be expert of all these things. So we are sure that one person cannot be an expert of all these things, but he can be a POS, point of sale, where he can pass this lead to us and we will do the work, so he can enjoy his commission. That's what we are meaning. So some guy XYZ said that I want to have a e-com app. So we built an app for him. So we are doing all the client calling, client meeting, client service, everything after sales service we are doing. But since this person referred, he was the point of sale to bring that lead. So whatever we are earning, a hands up commission also goes to this virtual business owner. So these are like other verticals also. As I told, we are 10 different verticals like credit cards, home loans. Uh, he can even, we do have our TV advertisement segments. We have any social media marketing merchant. So a lot of plug and play softwares are there where you can, any brand, you can need social media marketing. So we do that. So we have a lot of services. So he can now sell any of these services. He can start enjoying benefit out of it. So now literally with one smartphone, so he is becoming a business owner. So or if he has a space, a small space, then it's a value added thing. So he can, in some same space, he can start selling many things. So what is the investment for this? The investment is 25,000 plus GST. So for to become a virtual business owner, and these people are like freelancers who will be working under franchisees. So they are the sales force without any salary. So these people will be bringing business to franchisee owners. So again, the same 25,000 what comes in, we are giving it back as a credit balance. He can redeem back entire 25,000. The services what I showed in premium member, like like IT service, digital marketing, for travel. He can insurance, paying insurance. He can use this entire 25,000. So it need not be his personal insurance. He can sell any insurance. Let us assume that he sold an insurance policy of 2.5 lakh, a premium. Okay, so in which 5% he can use from this balance. So that's a big number, right? So he can use like this anywhere he can use. So again, here we are also providing a one-time bonus. Like if you somebody is referring a VBO to us, so we are paying them 5,000 rupees as a one-time bonus. So these are all other benefits. There is a complimentary premium membership. Like what all benefit I told for a premium member, it will comes default with a VBO. When you buy a VBO, it comes as a default. So here also you're working as you're getting a multi income streams you're generating. It's a one-time program where you need not be anything. So you are your own boss. So you need not work under anybody. You need not maintain any stocks. So you don't have anything. So you don't have a physical space, but wherever company do have offices, you can use those spaces. Wherever franchisees are there, companies franchisees are there, you can go and use the physical space of that franchisee. So you are building a business, in turn you are helping this ecosystem to run in a big way. So a lot of training support. We do have a physical training. We take them. There are a lot of rewards and contests keep running for them. So a lot of things are there because they are our sales force, and we do have a plan to bring around onboard around 5 lakh VBOs across India. So that is our vision, because if we have a 5 lakh sales force, a trained sales force, tomorrow we can sell anything and everything in India. So that's a big number. So that's where we have a plan to bring this 5 lakh sales force. Any questions in regard to this VBO? So I'll quickly come to the last part of the program. So we do also have a merchant program where we can onboard merchants. So there is a lot of benefits which is coming with a merchant. So it's again, we do have one more app called as AGS Business. If you do have a business, you can first you need to be a user, then you can download this merchant app and you can register yourself. If you have a business only, you have to do that. The benefit is that you have a lot of benefits. I'm not going to talk much about it today because we are not talking about merchant program. So there is a presentation. You can go through our channel called you in YouTube, where we have videos on all these things. So you can get a detailed program on merchant, or we can one to one, if you are interested, we can discuss about it later part.